What is the meaning of the number 300 behind me? Well, I really don't know it now, and stay tuned. At the end, I will give it up. Today's musing, and this is Reinhard von Hennix with the Daily Morning Musing. Today's musing is about a lawsuit filed by Zapier against Zoom. We all know Zoom, we all use Zoom these days, as Zoom seems to be the new modern technology to communicate with people, business partners, friends, and families. Zapier filed a lawsuit against Zoom, claiming that Zoom violates their trademark in using a phrase zap. Because Zapier has a zap and Zoom is using a zap now. Different is one's spelled with double P and the other one is spelled with a single P. Zapier calls their platform ZAP with a single P, or also in the plural as zaps, and Zoom implemented a ZAPP. Zapier has a trademark for that, so my quick read is, it seems to be that the odds are in the favor of Zapier against Zoom. However, the takeaway today is not what will the court likely decide. If you have a business idea, and if you have a business idea with a cool phrase, a cool word, trademark, trademark, trademark is the name of the game. And back to the 300 behind me. Morning Musing number 300 is today. This is the 300th Morning Musing. The first 100 are put in this book. Happy to get feedback from you. Read it, comment on it, like it, buy it, share it. Give it as gifts for the holiday season. Whatever it is, stay tuned for the next 100 or more Morning Musings to come. Have a great day.